Dr. Munir Ahmed. I work at Pakistan Institute of Development Economics. Project is the impact of climate change on agricultural productivity and food security, at the same time looking at the adaptive strategies by the farming communities. And the main aim is both. We are looking at the productivity of the farming communities, how it has been impacted by the climate change, and what type of strategies they are adapting to. We were thinking whether the farming communities, they know about the climate change or not. But when we went to the field and conducted some focus groups in different areas, we got the impression that they know there is climate change is happening, and they know about this, and they are changing their strategies. For example, they have changed the agronomic practices, they have changed the sowing time of different crops, they have changed the cropping patterns as well. So I think it's the first project where we are working with the farming communities and at different levels. Not only looking at the time series analysis, but also we are working at 3 levels. One is the district level, and we have collected the whole data of whole country of district level, and we have the data about 30 years of crops, about 34 crops, and also the data, weather-related variables we have from 1960-61. So we'll try to look at the correlates between weather and the productivity at the district level all over the country. From the policy point of view, when we conducted a rapid rural appraisal in all over the country, we covered 14 districts. We had researchers with us, local researcher from local institute, and a senior level extension agent from the same district. Now they were really surprised to hear the farmers' voice that they are adopting the strategies. The recommendations of the extension departments are different, and the farmers, the real practice is different.